Good morning, vlog. I don't know why I keep feeling like spinning. Like a little ballerina. Anyways, today is such a great day. Okay, I gotta tone it down for a second. Okay, I'm just so excited for this weekend because it is the first weekend in so long where I have zero plans. Like, I can do whatever I want. I cannot do anything if that's what I want to do. I have literally nowhere that I have to be. I have no pre-made plans that past me made when I was feeling social, and then present me is like, ooh, I don't want to do that. Like, I am free as a bird, and I'm so happy. It's 11:30 right now, and I'm still in my pajamas. I've been having a slow morning. I just made my coffee, made some breakfast. I took the dogs outside, and I read my book for a little bit outside. I don't know if I mentioned in my last vlog, but I'm reading this amazing book that my preceptor gave to me when I was just kind of sharing feelings about struggling with the different like emotional parts of working as a nurse. And she gave me this book. It's written by a hospice nurse, and she kind of talks about her experience with different patients that she had that like really stuck with her. And so just like listening to some of the feelings that she had, I just felt like very seen and very heard and not alone. And I'm like, okay, everyone must go through this. And it's just something that you learn to cope with. But it's a great book, and I've been like reading it nonstop every chance that I get. So I read a whole chapter this morning, which is so exciting. I never get to do that before I go anywhere. So, sorry, my dog's trying to get my attention. Hey, Mama. Say hello. Luna's so funny because she like wants affection, but she doesn't know how to receive it. Like, she's so awkward. Look how awkward she is with affection. I'm gonna do my hair refresh routine today because I do this every other week. I know it's maybe gross to some people to only wash their hair every 2 weeks, but it works for me. If I wash too often, then my hair is like even more oily. And also because I straighten it all the time, or like I wear it straight all the time, there's no way I'm gonna wash and blow dry it once a week. Like, sorry, I'm just not. So I promise I don't stink. At least my boyfriend and my family doesn't tell me that I do. So let me grab my supplies. I feel like I just showed this routine on a previous video, so I might not show the whole thing. But I didn't use this oil last time. I think I used a different oil, but I'm gonna use this rosemary mint fortifying scalp and hair oil. I've heard rosemary and like rosemary water and mint are really good for your hair, like to help with hair growth. I feel like my hair has like plateaued and growing. I've been using like I use this biotin infused with coconut oil. I take those every morning. I got them off of Amazon, but I do still feel like my hair hasn't grown much as of lately. I mean, my hair's like pretty long. It's like I have a little sports bra on and it touches the end of my sports bra, but still I feel like it should be longer, or maybe my hair just doesn't grow as fast as I think it does. I don't know, but I feel like it should be a lot longer than it is. So I've been trying different things to get it to grow. Anyways, I'm just putting the oil and conditioner, and then I just like braid up my hair. I'm gonna actually just put it in a ponytail because I think I'm gonna go to the gym and just walk on the treadmill at least. Okay, hair is all oiled up, and now I'm gonna go change for the gym. I'm just gonna walk on the treadmill for as long as I feel like, and then I'm gonna stop. Okay guys, here is the after. I kind of was doing not that great of a job because I just wanted to hurry up and be done. So like the ends don't look the best, but I'm just gonna touch it up in the morning because I just wanted to be done. Like I didn't curl the ends or like do anything with them that I usually do. I only did it in the front. So alright guys, I said I was gonna make a little drinky. Okay, I'm kind of making this up, but I've been drinking these poppies that I bought the other day. This is the cherry limeade one, and I feel like they really, because it is like prebiotic soda, I feel like drinking them at the end of the day really helps settle my stomach. I have the worst gut issues. I have like gastritis, and every little thing will make me bloat. Like drinking water makes me bloat. So I feel like I've been noticing a difference in how my stomach looks when I wake up in the morning and I'm not as bloated, because I feel like swollen all the time. So I'm thinking about mixing this and some of my favorite wine. This is Moscato d'Asti. This one's from Kirkland. My favorite brand though is Stella Rosa, I think is the name. I'm just gonna do like half and half, I guess. And I'll just top off the rest with the... Ooh, it fits perfectly. Excited to try this. So I'm gonna put a straw. This is a huge straw for this cup. I just wanted to stir. Okay. Oh, that's actually really good. That was an amazing decision. I'm very glad that I did this. All right, I'm gonna get back to editing. Cheers. Guys, I'm trying very, very hard to not be negative, but the only thing we have done today is take breaks. What do I need to take a break from? I haven't done anything. I got there at 8:30. They didn't like say anything to us until like 9:15, and all they did was like show us a little video, and then they said the video ended at like 9:30, and then they said you're assigned to this group, whatever. And then they said go ahead and take like a 10-minute break. They're not gonna be ready until 10. So then we take a break, and then we come back, and the first group gets assigned to like what courtroom they're going to. And then they tell us, the second group, of course I'm in the second group, they say go ahead and take a break until 11:30. Come back at 11:30, still not ready for us. Don't address us until like 11:45, and then tell us to take a break till 1:30. Like, take a break from what? I haven't done anything. So, hold on, I gotta figure out where I'm going. Okay, I had to double check my navigation because I got scared for a second, but I'm just gonna go get lunch now. It's 12 o'clock. I have like, I want to try to be back like in over where I was by like 1 o'clock, because last time I couldn't find parking, but I'm like, maybe if some of the other group got sent home, then I can park where they were. But it just sucks because if I get called back tomorrow, like, this is gonna be what I'm doing on my only days off of work, because I work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I have 1 day off, and then I work Tuesday, Wednesday. So that's kind of stinky, but what are you gonna do? I'm at the In-N-Out drive-thru. Hi. How are you? Good, how are you?
Good, what's up for today?
Can I just get a cheeseburger, spread, and grilled onion only?
Yeah.
Hello. So, my day did not go as planned. I'm so freaking bummed. So, I have to go back tomorrow at 9 a.m. I ended up staying there all day long. I stayed till 4:30 when the courthouse closes. And I'm gonna report back at 9 a.m. And who knows from there. I'm really, really sad. I didn't get to see my boyfriend. I didn't get to really enjoy my day off. And now all my doggies are in my face. So I'm really me trying to be positive. That's kind of gone out the window at this point. But I'm home now. It's like 6:30, I think. And my dad's gonna come get me right now so we can get tacos for Taco Tuesday. I let my work know that I got called back tomorrow. And we'll just see. I'm so sad though. Like, I had the next 3 days off. And now all my days off are gonna be on jury duty. And then I work Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Ugh, just so sad. Anyways, see you guys when we get some tacos.